Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on TCL 605. So, first things we need to do is check in settings, is there even an option to enable the fast charging? The answer is no, but we can check. No, there's no fast charging. So the fast charging is always active. Then take your cable and check if it's not broken in any way. Then try to use the original cable and the charger. If still it's not working, then try right here, there's a charging port. Clean it with something not metallic, so the compressed air or Q-tips, wooden sticks, something like that. And you can check with other charger and outlet if it's working, or try to plug your charger and outlet to another phone. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.